Hi students, let's see exercise 5.4. Ready? This is differentiation, and you know that we have one video for equations. So don't forget to study the equations before doing this one. Ready? So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Ready? So let's start the work now. First one, differentiate the following with respect to x. The first question is e raised to x divided by sin x. Two equations we need to know first. Derivative of sin x equals cos x. Derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x. Ready? Now, of course, we will start the work now. First we will write let y equals e raised to x divided by sin x. Now we will write differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Ready? This implies we will write derivative of y equals derivative of e raised to x divided by sin x. And we know that dy by dx, derivative of y means dy by dx. Ready? Now this one, see, numerator and denominator, that means we have to use divisibility rule. That means what? We'll write denominator, that means sin x. Sin x into derivative of the numerator, derivative of e raised to x minus numerator, that is e raised to x into derivative of the denominator, that means derivative of sin x divided by, what will do? Denominator square, that means sin square x. This equals sin x into derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x, minus e raised to x is already here into derivative of sin x, that is cos x, divided by sin square equals sin square x. Now from the numerator e raised to x will take common. Ready? That means e raised to x bracket, what is the balance? Sin x minus cos x, closing the bracket, divided by sin square x. Okay. Let's say second question, e raised to sin inverse x. Of course, we should know two equations. Derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x. Derivative of sin inverse x equals 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Ready? Let's start the work. First we will write let y equals e raised to sin inverse x. After that, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y equals derivative of e raised to sin inverse x. Ready? Now, derivative of y means what you will write? Dy by dx equals derivative of e raised to x. We know that e raised to x. That means first we will take e raised to x. That means e raised to sin inverse x. This is e raised to x. After that, derivative of, after that we will take the power. What is that? Sin inverse x equals e raised to sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x. What you will get? Derivative of sin inverse x will get 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this answer. Let's see the third question. E raised to x cube. E raised to x cube. First we will write let y equal e raised to x cube. After that we will write differentiating both sides with respect to x. Ready? Of course, we should know two equations. One is derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x. Derivative of x raised to n equals n into x raised to n minus 1. Ready? Let's start the work. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. That means what you'll do? Derivative of y equals derivative of e raised to x cube. That means this implies derivative of y means dy by dx equals derivative of e raised to x. First we will consider this as e raised to x. That means what you will write? E raised to x. X means x cube. Into, after that, derivative of the power. What is that? Derivative of x cube. Ready? This equals e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube. What do you write? Yes, 3x square equals, what you'll do? First you'll write 3x square into e raised to x cube. Okay. Let's see question number 4. Sine of tan inverse e raised to minus x. Ready? That means first we'll write let y equal sine of tan inverse e raised to minus x. Of course, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Of course, we should know two equation main. What is that? Derivative of sine x equals cos x. Derivative of tan inverse x equals 1 by 1 plus x square. Ready? Let's start now. Derivative of y means we'll write dy by dx equals derivative of sine x, that is cos x. So we'll write cos, in place of x what you'll write? Cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x. This is cos x into derivative of inside one. What is that? Tan inverse e raised to minus x. Ready? This equals cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x, same, and derivative of tan inverse e raised to x. That means what? Derivative of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. X means e raised to x, so e raised to minus x. X means e raised to, that means we'll write e raised to minus x the whole square into, now after that derivative of, what you'll do now? E raised to minus x now. Ready? This equals, what you'll do now? Same, cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x into 1 by 1 plus e raised to minus x the whole square. What you can write? Yes, the 2 will go inside, isn't it? That means e raised to minus 2x. If you have doubt, a raised to n the whole raised to m equals a raised to n into m or m into n. Ready? That means 1 by 1 plus e raised to minus 2x into e raised to minus x into, now one more, derivative of minus x we need now. Ready? This equals cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x into 1 by 1 plus e raised to minus 2x into e raised to minus x into derivative of minus x, what you will get? Minus 1. That means minus 1. Okay. So, this equals, what you will do? Of course, this minus 1 means minus you can take in the front side. That means minus, after that, e raised to minus x we can write in the beginning. E raised to minus x into balance. What is that? Cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x, numerator is over, now denominator, divide by 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. This is the answer. Let's see question number 5. Log of cos e raised to x. Ready? First we'll write let y equals log of cos e raised to x. After that, what you'll write? Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Of course, we should know some formulas. Derivative of log x equals 1 by x. After that, derivative of cos x equals minus sin x. Then you should know sin theta by cos theta equals tan theta. Let's start the work. Ready? That means first we wrote let y equals log of this one. After that, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y means dy by dx equals derivative of log cos e raised to x. Ready? This equals derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. That means in place of x is cos e raised to x. That means we'll write 1 by cos e raised to x into, after that what you'll do? Derivative of cos e raised to x. Cos e raised to x equals 1 by cos e raised to x into derivative of cos theta is, or cos x is, minus sin x. That means minus sin x means what you'll write? E raised to x into derivative of e raised to x equals, minus will take outside. After that, sin e raised to x divided by, see, sin e raised to x divided by cos e raised to x into derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x. Ready? But we know that sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. That means we'll write this equals minus tan e raised to x into e raised to x. Of course, this one we can write this equals minus e raised to x into tan e raised to x. This is okay. Number 6, I'll read the question once. E raised to x plus e raised to x square plus etc. plus e raised to x raised to 5. Ready? Of course, we should know derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x. Derivative of x raised to n equals n into x raised to n minus 1. Ready? First we'll write let y equals e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus. Next will be e raised to x cube plus e raised to x raised to 4 plus e raised to x raised to 5. The entire term we are writing. Ready? We'll write differentiating both sides with respect to x. Now derivative of y, what you'll write? Dy by dx equals derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus e raised to x cube plus e raised to x raised to 4 plus e raised to x raised to 5. Ready? This equals derivative of e raised to x plus derivative of e raised to x square plus derivative of e raised to x cube plus derivative of e raised to x raised to 4 plus derivative of e raised to x raised to 5. Ready? This equals derivative of e raised to x means e raised to x plus derivative of e raised to x square means what you'll write? First you'll write e raised to x term. That means what? E raised to x square into. After that, derivative of x square. Ready? First you'll write derivative of e raised to x. That means this way. After that, derivative of x square plus this one, what you'll write? First you'll write e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube. I hope you can understand. Plus derivative of this one. That means what you'll write? E raised to x raised to 4 into derivative of x raised to 4 plus. Now, derivative of e raised to x, that means e raised to x means x raised to 5 into derivative of x raised to 5 equals e raised to x plus e raised to x square into derivative of x square, what do you write? 2x plus e raised to x cube into derivative of x cube will write 3x square plus. Now e raised to x raised to 4 into derivative of x raised to 4 into x cube. Ready? Plus e raised to x raised to 5 into derivative of x raised to 5 will write 5x raised to 4. Ready? One more time we can arrange. E raised to x plus, first we'll write 2x. That means 2x into e raised to x square plus, now we'll write 3x square into e raised to x cube plus. We'll write 4x cube into e raised to x raised to 4 plus. Again 5x raised to 4 into e raised to x raised to 5. This is our answer. Let's see question number 7. അവിടെ ഇച്ചിരി നിന്ന് നോക്കടാ, നിനക്ക് വേറെ പണിയൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അറിയത്തില്ല അവിടെ എന്തോ നടക്കുന്നതെന്ന്. ഫോക്കസിങ് അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് പോകുന്നുണ്ടോന്നു. അവിടെ അല്ല നോക്കണ്ട, ഫോക്കസിങ് ബാക്കില്ല. Let's see question number 7. Root of e raised to root x, of course x greater than 0. First what you will write, let y equals root of e raised to root x, differentiating both sides with respect to x. We should know derivative of root x equals 1 by 2 root x, derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x. Let's start the work now. Derivative of y will write dy by dx equals, now derivative of root e raised to root x equals derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x, but in place of root x what you will write, root of e raised to root x into, now derivative of that inside one, what is that, derivative of e raised to root x equals 1 by 2 root of e raised to root x into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. That means what you will write, e raised to root x into, one more time, derivative of root x. Ready? This equals e raised to root x, e raised to root x divided by 2 root of e raised to root x into derivative of root x, what you will write, 1 by 2 root x. Ready? This equals e raised to root x is already there in the numerator. Now 2 into 2, 4. Now see, root, here also root, so that root we can take as common. That means root of, what we can do now, see this root and this root we are taking common, so this one will write inside. That means x into e raised to root x, x into e raised to root x. This is your answer. Let's see question number 8. Log of log x, x greater than 0. First what you will do, let y equals log of log x, after that differentiating both sides with respect to x. We should know derivative of log x equals 1 by x. Now derivative of y means you will write dy by dx equals derivative of, but you will do log of log x. That means derivative of log x, in place of x we got log x. Ready? This equals, what you will write, 1 by log x means 1 by x. So in place of x, what is here? Log x. Be careful. That means 1 by log x into Now, one more time, derivative of, this time what you will write? Log x. Equals, already here 1 by log x into, derivative of log x will get 1 by x equals, now x will write first. That means 1 by x into log x. This is our answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 9. I'll read the question once. Cos x divided by log x, x greater than 0. First what you will do, let y equals cos x by log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Of course, we should know divisibility law. That is what? Derivative of u by v equals v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. Ready? Of course, we should know one more. Derivative of cos x equals minus sin x. And if you want one more, log x equals, derivative of log x equals 1 by x. Now, let's start the work. Derivative of y means we'll write dy by dx equals derivative of this. That means derivative of cos x divided by log x equals derivative of cos x divided by log x means first we'll write log x, that means denominator into derivative of the numerator. That means what? Derivative of cos x minus cos x into, that means numerator into derivative of the denominator, that is log x, divided by, what you will write? Denominator square. That means log x the whole square. Ready? This equals log x into derivative of cos x, what you will get? Minus sin x. Minus sin x minus cos x into derivative of log x, what you will get? 1 by x. The whole divided by, what you will write? Log x the whole square. We can't change, just keep as it is. Now, what we'll do here means, in the numerator side, we will take x as common, LCM. Ready? That means what you'll do? First we'll write minus is here. Log x into sin x is already here. But I am going to take here, in the numerator, x as common LCM. That means what will happen? This x I have to multiply here. Ready? That means what you'll write? X into log x into sin x. I hope you understand. Log x into sin x and minus is already here. But we are taking LCM as x, then this x we have to multiply here. Minus cos x divided by x, the whole divided by, what you'll do? Yeah, we'll write log x the whole square. What you'll do? Minus x sin x log x. Just I am writing sin second. That means minus x sin x log x minus cos x divided by, see, this x and this one. If you want this one as by 1, that means what will happen? This inverse will multiply. That means these two will be in the denominator. That means what you will get? X into log x the whole square. Ready? This equals, now we will take minus as common. That means minus of bracket x sin x log x minus, if you take outside it will be plus. Plus cos x divided by x into log x the whole square. This is our answer. See the next question, question number 10. Cos of log x plus e raised to x, x greater than 0. First what you will write? Let y equal cos of log x plus e raised to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x. After that, a few equations we should know. First one, derivative of cos x equal minus sin x, derivative of log x equal 1 by x, derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x. Ready? So let's start. First derivative of y means what you write? Dy by dx equals derivative of cos of log x plus e raised to x. Ready? Now we'll write derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x. Sin x means what you'll write here? Log x plus e raised to x. The entire term will write inside. After that, into derivative of the bracket inside one. What is that? Bracket log x plus e raised to x. Ready? This equals minus sine of log x plus e raised to x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus derivative e raised to x, e raised to x. Ready? After that, this term we can write in the beginning. Ready? That means this equals minus of 1 by x plus e raised to x into balance. What is that? Sine of log x plus e raised to x. Ready? This is the answer for 10. Now make sure that you are subscribing this channel to get the balance exercise. Okay.